Okay, as you guys have been recording your classes, a few issues have come up, and I appreciate bringing them up. First thing, you want to load a PowerPoint, and you obviously want to do this before the presentation, but just for kicks, I'm doing it now because I want you to see what's going to pop up. And that is this little screen, and people have been going all over and playing with it. But if you just delete it, you can still get through your slides, and you still can go back to the beginning and have your whiteboard. And I notice I have breakout rooms. You can still move this particular page to your breakout room. Second one is, if you do something in breakout rooms, please bring it back so we can see that technique. I know you're going to do something in breakout rooms. Just bring that back, the whiteboard, if you have them right on it. Third one, remember, we like you to have no more than 50% of the talking. I think that's the hardest requirement for people. Beyond that, we've probably gotten 5 of you who've already done your classes. That's great. About half the work that's been turned in the last couple of days is graded. The rest will be graded by tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.